Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop today, and when I was demonstrating it in my charity shop gold or garbage video, it didn't work. It did when I originally bought it, briefly, but the key is just turning, it's not winding up the motor. So, I'm going to take it apart. We need a triangular headed screwdriver. This is a Poundland one that some time ago I ground the top. I hope if that was in focus, wouldn't it? Yeah. Ground the top to a triangle. I actually have a little kit of pieces that have got the right pieces in it, but because I got quite a few of these, I ground one down. So it's a perfect fit. These Poundland screwdrivers were ever so handy. I think they've put the price up now. Right, here we are. Gosh, that's screwed in place as well. Oh, I think I can see straight away that this piece just here, it's got a big crack in it. Can we see that at all? Yeah, split right there. That's why it's not winding up. It is actually a ratchet effect so that you can wind it one way and not the other, but it's split. Before I take it off entirely, I'll just point out the way it works. The wheels, these wheels drive it forwards, and those wheels keep that wheel off the ground. But when those wheels drop over the edge of the table, that one comes into play and turns the car at 90 degrees. So it's an edge detecting robot. So we've got two gears there to drive it at 90 degrees. And then that gear there, out of focus again. That gear there is the one that drives that gear there. And say the only thing that's actually broken from the looks of it is this fella. If I give it a little push, it'll come off there. As I say, is split. I can put my nail in there. Focus again. Oh, that's not the right place. Oh, come on. Why won't you focus? That's better. Right, so I can put my nail in the split. Well, to be honest, the easy fix would be just to glue that onto the end of there, so it just winds it up continuously, rather than having the ratchet effect. Because I could put as much glue as I like on there, and it's not going to join back together. Never have any luck trying to glue. This will be nylon. I suppose at a push I could try melting it. Let's see if that would do anything. But basically we're out of luck, I think. Right, I don't honestly expect this to have worked, but I've held it closed and then used a hot piece of metal to try and melt it to fill the crack. Right, if we take this out, I think that will just lift out. No, that split as soon as I pushed it on. It's not going to work. Well, I suppose I could try super glue. So super glue never really works with nylon. But I could put super glue over it, and then I could put some baking powder around the outside of it to bulk it up a bit. Right, that's what we've got. Super glue and then a bit of baking powder mixed in with it to go a bit like concrete. It'll probably work until somebody turns it really hard. I don't remember which one this is. Is it Hudson? Anyway, let's see if that works. Right. I'm trying not to wind it up too far. I'll probably break it. Get the feeling these wheels are not quite deep enough, big enough, because that one shouldn't grip on the flat surface. It should only grip when it goes over an edge. But clearly it is gripping. Well, we get the general idea. I'll probably break it now, trying to do it up too tight. I do like these. Object avoidance or edge detect. Well, this one's edge detection. Check my playlist. There'll be a link to them. Did I just say check my playlist? I meant check my video description for the playlist. I'm getting old and confused. Well, it appears to be working. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.